Here's how to make $100 for selling ebooks you don't even own. Now to do this, you'll need to go to this website, idplr.com. idplr.com is a website that allows you to sell products that are listed in that website and to keep 100% of the profits. As you can see on the website, there are very many people already doing this, and one of the services that you can sell, or other products that you can sell and make 100% of profits, is ebooks. Since we already have a product to sell, now we need a channel to sell these products. The next thing that you need to do is to create an account on this website, payip.com. Payip.com is the easiest way to sell digital downloads and memberships without having to create your own websites. Once you've created an account on payip.com, it's now easy. Download products on idplr.com and bring them to your payip.com account. Now people can buy products from this website of yours and pay you 100% of the profits, and you get to keep everything. You don't have to pay anyone anything for selling these ebooks. Did you like this video? Go ahead and click on that plus sign, like, comment and share. Until next time, bye bye.